Hi, Stephanie here from My Tana Good Kitchen, and today we are going to be talking about coconut milk kefir and how to make your own, and also the benefits because it's super good for you. So, first of all, why I like to make my own is because it's so incredibly easy. I started making this when I was on Body Ecology a couple years ago, and making all the fermented foods just really stuck with me. So, when you make it the Body Ecology way, it's super easy. All you have to do is get a probiotic starter. So it's like a kefir starter, and all you have to do is add this to milk, and we'll show you a little bit about that later. But this is a visual of what I use. So the benefits of coconut milk kefir are unlimited. First of all, it's like taking a probiotic and a prebiotic at the same time. Think of your digestive system like it has its own microbiome, because it does. And when you get sick or you have infections, it's usually because the not so friendly bacteria and overpopulates the good bacteria. Does that make sense? Cool. So coconut milk kefir helps to not only strengthen your immune system, but it also helps to replenish and refuel your inner digestive system, which is a really wonderful thing. So it helps you digest your food. So it's also really just a wonderful and delicious drink. So if you're like, I don't really care what it's good for, I'm all about the taste. It adds a really nice coconut like yogurt, but not super thick. So it's really great for smoothies. It's really great for making popsicles. You can drink it on its own, just blend it with some strawberries, and it's so good. So let's jump in. All right, so we're ready to make coconut milk kefir, and all we're gonna need is 2 cans of coconut milk. I really like the ones that say no gar, just because that means it's less preservatives. A coconut kefir starter packet, and then the Body Ecology Eco Bloom. You don't have to have this. If you are familiar with chicory root extract, you can use that as well. 2 lids, something wood, so it could be a wood spoon, or I'm just using a chopstick, and 2 jars, if I didn't say that already. So I'm just gonna pour 1 jar of coconut milk into the can, and then do the same for the second one. See, so easy. Now just use this packet. So these are your probiotics, so I'm gonna pour half in here and half in the second one. Perfect. And now I'm going to do just 1 scoop of chicory root in each jar. And now all you do is mix it up. Do a stir. Lids on. Shake well. And this one I've been fermenting. So when you do it, you'll be able to see it's very normal to have chunks. It's so fun.